Hello. Can you hear me clearly? Can you see me clearly? Okay. My name is Teacher Rocky. And your name is? Oh, what a beautiful name, Cindy. Cindy, I want to welcome you in my beautiful classroom. Welcome, Cindy. Okay, Cindy, this morning you will learn about birds. Okay, let's say it together. Birds. One more time. Birds. Can all birds fly? That is what you will learn this morning. Look, Cindy, what are these? These are animals. Okay, let us name them one by one. Let us start with the animal that is hanging on the tree. What is that animal, Cindy? This is a monkey. Great job, Cindy. What about this one? This is a tiger. Perfect, Cindy. And this one? What is this that has a very long neck? Yes, you are correct, Cindy. This is a giraffe. What about this one? The big animal. What is this, Cindy? Very good. Perfect, Cindy. You exactly got the right answer. This is an elephant. And this one, Cindy, this is a dog. What about this? What is this, Cindy? This is a monkey. Perfect. Last one, Cindy. What is this? This is a bird. Cindy, what animals do you like? The same with teacher. I also like dog. Because you are doing great, Cindy, in naming the animals, I will give you 2 stars already. Okay, congratulations, Cindy. Look, what bird is it? Okay, say a magpie. Let us say it together again. A magpie. One more time. A magpie. Say it alone. Perfect, Cindy. You are doing a great job. Because of that, I will give you 1 more star. Congratulations. Look and say, this is a magpie. Okay, let us say it again. This is a magpie. One more time. This is a magpie. Very good. Say it in yourself. Perfect, Cindy. You exactly got it. Because of that, I will give you again a star together with a buds. Congratulations, Cindy. Oh, look, Cindy. Let us count how many magpies are there. Okay, one magpie, another one magpie. How many magpies all in all? There are two magpies. Okay, let us say it together. Two magpies. Say it alone. Very good, Cindy. Because of that, I will give you a dadan muffin. Very sweet muffin. You can now eat your muffin. Oh, look, Cindy. Birds are getting more and more. Okay, say magpies are birds. Okay, let us say it together. Magpies are birds. One more time, Cindy. Magpies are birds. Okay, say it alone. Very nice, Cindy. You are doing an excellent job. Because of that, I will give you again a star. Ta-da! This time, Cindy, you will play a game. It's a game time. How you will do the game? Just click and find all the magpies. Okay, click and find all the magpies. Okay, let us find all the magpies. Okay, this is the first magpie, the second magpie, the third magpie, the fourth magpie, the fifth magpie. Are there more magpies? No. Okay. How many magpies all in all? There are how many? Five magpies. Okay. Say it again. There are five magpies. Okay, high five, Cindy. Another high five. High 10, Cindy, for the five magpies. You are doing great in the game. Because of that, I will give you again a 10 stars. Many, many more stars collected. Okay, look and say. Magpies are birds. Okay, let us say it together. Magpies are birds. Okay, say it alone. Perfect. What about this one? Okay, magpies can fly. Okay, let us say it together. Magpies can fly. Very good. Okay, let us say it together again. Magpies can fly. Say it alone. Perfect, Cindy. You are doing a great job. Because of that, I will give you an ice cream. Nom nom nom. Delicious ice cream. Okay. Look, Cindy, what bird is it? Okay. Say a penguin. Okay. Say it again. A penguin. Say it alone. Perfect, Cindy. You are very good in stating. Because of that, I will give you 10 star again. Many, many more stars collected. Look and say, this is a penguin. Okay, say it again. This is a penguin. Say it alone. Perfect, Cindy. You are doing better and better. Teacher is having fun with you. Congratulations, Cindy. Because of that, I will give you Tedan a star badge. Congratulations. Look and count how many penguins are there. Okay, one penguin, another one penguin. How many penguins all in all? There are two penguins. Okay, let us say it together. Two penguins. One more time, Cindy. Two penguins. Say it alone. Perfect, Cindy. You exactly state the right word. Because of that, I will give you again another star. Look, Cindy, penguins are getting more and more. Okay, say penguins are birds. Okay, let us say it together. Penguins are birds. Okay, say it alone. Congratulations, Cindy. You exactly made it. Because of that, I will give you one more star buds. Congratulations. Oh, Cindy, look what happens to Mr. Penguin. Let us help Mr. Penguin find his missing wing. How you will do that? Just drag and say. Okay, let us now find this one. Is this the missing wing of Mr. Penguin? No, no, no. What about this one? Is this a missing wing of Mr. Penguin? No, no, no. And this one is this a missing wing of Mr. Penguin? Yes. So Cindy, what you will do is drag and say, this is the missing wing of Mr. Penguin. Okay, let us say it again and do the dragging. Okay, drag and say, drag. This is the missing wing of Mr. Penguin. Very good, Cindy. Nice job. Okay, because of that, I will give you a star and a star again and another buds, a star buds. Okay, congratulations, Cindy. Okay, look and say. Penguins are birds. Okay, say it again. Penguins are birds. Okay, say it alone. Great job, Cindy. What about this one? Penguins cannot fly. Okay, let's say it together. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, say it alone. Very good. Perfect, Cindy. You did an excellent job. Because of that, I will give you 2 stars. This time, let us wrap up the things that you have learned this morning. Okay, magpies are birds. Penguins are birds. Magpies and penguins are birds. Okay, birds like magpies can fly. Okay, let us say it together. Birds like magpies can fly. Okay, say it alone. Perfect, Cindy. And this one, birds like penguins cannot fly. Okay, one more time, Cindy. Birds like penguins cannot fly. Okay, do it alone. Perfect, Cindy. You exactly did an excellent job. Because of that, Cindy, I will give you 2 stars. Ta-da! Okay, many, many more stars collected. This time, Cindy, we will be having again a game. Okay, how you will do the game? Just click and answer the question in complete sentence. Okay? Okay. Are you ready now, Cindy? Okay, let's start with number 1. Okay. Can penguins fly? If your answer is yes, do the thumbs up. If your answer is no, do the thumbs down. Okay. What is the answer, Cindy? No. Very good. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, say it again. Penguins cannot fly. Good job, Cindy. Okay, question number 2. Are magpies birds? Yes, you are correct. Okay, magpies are birds. Okay, say it again. Magpies are birds. Very good, Cindy. You are doing better and better. Oh, let us wrap up again. Okay, magpies are birds. Penguins are birds. Magpies and penguins are birds. Okay, birds like magpies can fly. Okay, birds like penguins cannot fly. Okay, say it alone. Very good. Perfect, Cindy. Because of that, I will give you 2 stars and a buds. Congratulations, Cindy. Cindy, I have a question for you. Do you know any other bird that cannot fly? Okay, very good. Ostrich is a bird that cannot fly. Okay, think more birds that cannot fly. However, Cindy, I am so sad at this time because I have to bid you goodbye. Hopefully, I want to see you in our next meeting and tell me what are other birds that cannot fly. Thank you so much, Cindy.